Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Indonesian curry prawns. So let's start cooking. Now I'm going to put the spices directly into my blender to blend them into a paste. I have with me over here 3 pieces of shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 stalk of lemongrass utilizing only the white stem part, 2 pieces of big red chilli, 10 grams of young ginger, and if you like it a little hot, I'm adding in 1 piece of chili padi or basai chili. I'll just put everything inside here. And I'm also adding in 4 pieces of kaffir lime leaf. In case you want to know how kaffir lime leaf looks like, this is kaffir lime leaf. This is how it looks like. This is considered 1 leaf. I would advise you to actually go to the market and buy a full potted one, because if you like curry and anything Southeast Asian, this is actually a very useful ingredient. Now we add in half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and to help it blend better, I'm going to add in 80 milliliters of water. We will now blend this up. Cover it up and we'll blend this to a smooth paste. This should be done. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. We'll now go and fry our rempah as well as our belacan. We're going to fry our belacan now. Belacan is actually a dried shrimp paste. So I'm just going to put this in. At medium-low heat or low heat, slowly fry them until they are dry. Remember, when you fry belacan, always open up all your windows because the smell is going to be very pungent. But this adds a lot of flavor to your dish. You have to fry it until it's sort of disintegrate like sand. That's what we want. So just press it down and stir it often. We don't want to burn this. There's no exact substitute for belacan, but in case you can't get this from where you are staying, you can always use dried shrimp. If you're using dried shrimp, just chop it up into smaller pieces and also fry it like this. And we want the curry that we are doing to have this beautiful umami kind of taste. So this is almost done. We'll remove this from heat now and set this aside. Heat up your pan again. We're going to fry the rempah or spice paste. Add in a suitable amount of oil. Pour in the rempah paste. Using medium-low heat, we are just going to fry this until this becomes a little bit drier and you can actually smell the beautiful aromatics that's coming out from here. This will take approximately between 5 to 10 minutes. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. When it's dry like this, we'll add in a small bunch of curry leaves. And I have also with me over here 1 whole onion cut into wedges like this. Just put it in. We will also add in the belacan that we fried just now. Mix them all up. Now we'll add in water, 300 milliliters of water. Turn the heat back up to medium-high. We'll put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. Once the sauce is boiling, we'll add in our prawns. I have with me over here very good sized big prawns, approximately 400 grams. We'll just put them all in. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Smells really good. We'll give this a taste before we decide how much seasoning to put inside. Just give it a little twirl first. Because belacan is kind of salty, so I just want to make sure that the saltiness is there, not too much. Wow, fantastic. To balance off the taste, I'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar and just add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can always use soya sauce. Move the sauce around a little bit just to mix them up well. And now for the final part, we'll add in 125 milliliters of coconut milk. Give it a little stir. And now it's time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I've deshelled the prawns already, so let me just give this a big mouthful. The prawn is very succulent, very juicy, give you a slight crunch. The curry is very, very flavorful. You can use the curry, drench it over rice or even over noodles. I know you will love it, and I use the word I know. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.